Your Ford Fusion key fob has a hidden mechanical key. Locate the release button on the fob, usually a small switch or button that allows you to slide out the metal keyblade. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, depress the brake pedal firmly. Then, press the engine start-stop button while holding the key fob close to the steering column or as indicated in your owner's manual. The car should recognize the fob's chip via proximity and start. If your car has a keypad on the door, you can also use your code to enter the vehicle if you have it. Always keep a spare CR2032 battery on hand, which is the most common type of battery used for these key fobs. If the mechanical key method doesn't work, immediately replace the key fob battery with a CR2032 type. This is a common fix that restores full functionality. For 2017-2020 Ford Fusions, explore Ford Pass Connect if available on your model. This feature lets you use your smartphone as a digital key for entry and starting the vehicle, eliminating the need for physical fobs. Check Ford's website or your owner's manual for compatibility. Software updates delivered over the air can improve keyless entry reliability. If issues persist after battery replacement and digital options, consult a Ford dealership for reprogramming or replacement. Future trends show a shift toward digital keys and biometrics, reducing reliance on physical fobs. By 2030, physical keys could become obsolete in mainstream vehicles, with features like fingerprint recognition becoming common. For proactive maintenance, test your key fob regularly, keep spares ready, and explore digital options like Ford Pass Connect to avoid being stranded. These steps ensure reliable keyless entry.